Okay, so I tried to download the template in the for negotiations for the imported tool, and I already to the the data, and I let the first student place of birth and address is empty, and the place of birth and address field is a mandatory field. So I want to check the data. Use the history command here, and I select file. You can check the format. This is my file. Okay, and I try to click submit. It will display Sol Bravo. I think it should not display Sol Bravo even I not fill the mandatory field. Okay, so let me check it here. I will try to reproduce two times. For the first time, I will let the parent. Yes, I will let the parent. This is a place of birth. Let the mandatory is empty, but it should display should alert Bravo. Now we'll not check in here for the student cards. I go to the student cards. Go to Isuga 2025. Okay, look at this. This is the field that I imported. Check the identity and look at this, the place of birth and the address field is empty. The expectation is when I not fill the mandatory field in the GSV, it should display SWOL indicating report give me information about the field that should fill it in here, but I should display for Bravo. Okay. I should receive the notification important N2, and there is the details reason of the file to import guess because I'm not filling the mandatory field in the GSV. But yeah, I successfully um, import the student that have not completed field mandatory.